Hey guys, the UK couple are back doing things again, and this project we've got a back garden of ours. We're going to do a renovation. As you can see at the moment behind us, it's really dense, and we're going to get someone to come round, clear it out, and then we're going to decorate it ourselves.
Also, did you notice he's speaking? We took some feedback and now he's gonna speak. Okay.
Right, so let's start with the plan. So if you pan down, you can see we've got some broken concrete, and we want to get this repaired. So this is going to be cleared out, and they're going to pour a layer of concrete on here, and that will just repair it and level it all out. From this point onwards here, we're going to have a planter section. So we're going to keep all this gravel. We're going to obviously have this cleared out. We're going to keep some of the vines, and we're going to get some planters across here just so that we can do some of our own small bits of gardening. And across this way, we're going to have some of the stones that we're going to use for the patio work used from there over here, and they'll have a nice pathway coming through here. We're going to keep this archway. We really like this archway. I think it just needs a bit of repairing, painting, staining, and then that will look really good again. So from this point on here, as you can see, it's very up and down. So all of this ideally is all going to be one level. And this section is where we're going to start with the patio area. So this is all going to be stone slab patio. It will all be clear. We'll still keep some of the greenery on the sides. This tree is dead, so it's going. This is dead, it's going. And the purpose of this area is going to be for furniture. So our seating area, our barbecue probably here. And yeah, this is going to be a nice open social space. We move forward. The patio will probably come up to this wooden plank here on the floor. And this is where the next section starts, which is, as you can probably tell, the path sort of goes forward, left and right. And we want to sort of keep this jungle feel. So we're going to keep this, we're going to keep a bit of these, but obviously prune it, trim it back a bit, clear this path and sort of just keep it as like a nice, we're going to continue that pathway that was over there, start it again here. And it's going to have a nice little sort of intermission towards the back third. So coming through here, this I would say is where the second third ends, and then we start the final section, which is going to be basically just lawn. So this will all be cleared out. This pathway will continue on to the left here, all the way down to the end where that door is. And on the right here, we're just going to have clean, flat lawn. Again, all of this will be cut and cut back, so it's all just sort of free-flowing. Yeah, some of it will still be here, but it will just be a lot more back on it, because it's obviously overgrown quite a bit at the moment. And are you able to come through here? We can just show you the... No, you can't? Okay. So if you just look down the end, can you see down the end there? We've got the shed, and we've just got a bit of floor just in front of it. We're going to clear that out, and we're going to relay concrete there, because there's currently concrete already, but it's sort of cracked. It was probably a foundation for an outhouse, which never happened. So we're going to relay some concrete on there. I say we're getting landscapers to do it. And then we're going to have some more seating area there and potentially a shelter. So we'll trim down the tree and then maybe put a shelter on top. So then we'll have a seating area back there. We'll have the lawn here, the intermission bit here, the seating and barbecue just over there, the planters up to the building, and then just the concrete entrance.
Hi everyone, just a quick update on where we are at with the backyard. I think this is like third week, must be, is it day 13? Day 12 or 13, and they've gone home for the day, but this is where we are. So most of the tiling is done. There's just a little bit of work remaining on the edges, and we had agreed that they won't do anything with this bit. This was all gonna be done by us, so we've just finished cleaning this side out and putting fresh gravel there, and we're gonna do the same here eventually. We didn't film that, but I'm hoping we actually film the clearing and working on this bit. And so yeah, just a quick walkthrough for how it looks now. I meant these kind of bits are remaining just on the edges, like that edge is missing. And we are also going to paint this archway, so I've bought spray paint for that, and maybe doing minor repairs on it, giving it a quick clean. I'm also going to paint this bit, and then what else? We have to, again, they are not going to be doing this. We are planning to put the weed membrane in this bit, all of this bit, and get white stone for this area, same over there. And the magnolia tree, we had a magnolia tree in a pot, and that's finally got a home in the soil there. So this is our magnolia tree, and they've laid the lawn today. Looks absolutely stunning. And we are not supposed to walk over it, obviously, but hopefully that should settle down in a few days, and it's gonna rain for the next few days, so that'll be good for the grass. And there are bits of new fences, so those fences are new. We actually had no fence there, so we could directly just see the hut, the sheds of the neighbor, but that's done. That's the new gate that they're going to set up over there. And they've also finished, what else? They've also finished filling up the gaps between the slabs. Not everywhere, like it's still remaining here, but that needs to be done. They have to also finish the path, and that concrete is set up. I have to confirm with them what's happening on that edge there, but yeah, so that's going to be one. We're going to plan to have a seating area over there. Obviously this section is going to be a seating area as well, and then this entire section is just a path and a lawn. And yeah, looks quite appealing already, very tranquil, lot of space. Absolutely love it. And yeah, I think we did this in like an hour, and that was a good transformation for just 1 hour. And that's it. We just repotted this. This was actually an indoor plant. It was dying, but I saved it somehow. And yeah, but I also killed this tomato plant, so but this one is doing well. There's a little mini tomato there, and yeah, that's the now. So hopefully you're enjoying this so far, and we'll catch up soon. we just finished setting up the what is this? 4-seater set in the concrete base, and we haven't put any cushions yet. We'll probably do that later for the final reveal.
Took like what, 3 minutes to put
Yeah,
it up?
it took us like 3 minutes to do this. That was really good.
Yeah.
And some of it has some damage on it, so we quite
There, yeah.
hopefully it's not too flimsy. Feels okay, but we'll see. I mean, they were not really expensive, so I don't know what to expect. Okay. I should have bought 2 packs of this while it was cheap.